Well, let's read what Heartfelt has to say. This cluster of heart notes has been created by oil in the ocean, sticking to rocks and then shaped by the flow of water. Not something one expects to see pollution as pretty. Everything has the potential to transform. When you consciously choose to engage in your own well-being, you create an energy of attraction superior to any aphrodisiac. Be well and wonderful. The world will respond and love will find you. You can write as many wish lists for love and join a dozen dating sites and still not find love. Love yourself, create loving energy towards yourself, and you will attract love like a magnet. Remember, love is contagious. And really, at the heart of every single one of these cards and these messages is the self. This is what it always comes back to, the self. And as women, we are taught, don't be selfish, right? Put everybody else's needs in front of our own. And again, I'm not saying that as victim or martyr. This is an expectation that we've grown up in. What I want to see happen is women learning to put themselves in the center of their experience so that our well-being, our taking care of ourselves, our putting the oxygen mask on first, allows us to show up and then be able to help the people around us, not at our expense, health-wise or energy-wise, but in a way that reflects back to the people around us how important they are to us. Our self-care shows them how much they matter to us, because it shows them we want to be here for them, and we have to do it for us first.
Lots of laughter, sometimes tears, always learning and growing. This is the work that I do, and I would love for you to join me. I'm Megan Edge, master healer, educator, author, and owner of Psy-CHick Healing Studio. I would love to connect with you. You can reach me by email, megan@psy-chick.net, or by phone, or you can visit my website. I really want this for you.